Hey friends, I am S.Balachandar. Today I am going to show you how Sony Xperia E4 Dual E2.A.2.A.30 model run with new small update. This is Sony Xperia E4 Dual. You see E2.A.2.A.30 model, and the UI was changed by this small update version 10.2.A.2.13. You see too many options are provided. We can also use another icon packs by this update. All things are new. See downloads, email, video, phone UI also changed. Contacts, messaging are also changed. Camera app also changed by this update. Sony Select, backup and what's new also changed. The battery advisory is the second update in Sony Xperia E4 Dual. It it gives the information about the battery runtime and predicted battery time. And I will say you how to install these updates in your Sony Xperia E4 Dual in my next video. Thanks. Like and share my channel. Subscribe.